Hello guys, this is Mecowhy. We are at the reveal of Mustang Mach-E. As you can see, I got inside and we are just waiting for the event to start. They're just awesome. I love the taillights. The GT is just beautiful. The jump in. So there is a next step, actually getting in line to get a ride in the Mach-E. So we've seen the car, everybody was screaming, but now let's see what the true performance is. So here it is. This is the line to drive the Mach-E. Let's see how it rides. So getting in.
Alright, make sure everybody has seatbelts on, please.
Seatbelts on?
Yeah, I can see where those might come in.
Alright, so what are we in for?
So, we will be doing some slalom in 0 to 50. Just to let you know, this is an early prototype of the Mach-E. All-wheel drive. with extended range pack. Are you guys all ready? Yep.
We're ready,
Okay,
yes.
Perfect. And again, once again, because it's an early prototype, everything's dark, so you can't really see, but not everything is at production level yet. But you still get to feel the performance of what the car could deliver. So, are you guys ready for a slalom?
Let's do it.
Alrighty. Once again, just to reiterate, we're in an SUV, but it still obviously takes all these slaloms really well without any big body roll movement. In addition to that, there's this water drainage in the middle, which creates the bump, and it doesn't upset the car at all. Now we're gonna do 0 to 50 here. Just to let you know, there are 3 different driving experience modes. We're going to be in the unbridled, which is the most exhilarating mode that they offer. On top of that, we'll be having the propulsion sound on, which is a feature that the Mustang engineer actually collaborated with the sound engineer who who worked on the actual Mustang engine sound to infuse some of the Mustang spirit, even being an electric car. So I'm sure you guys will hear that. So all right, I'm gonna get going. That's the 332 horsepower, 471 pound-foot of torque. It does 0 to 60 in about mid 5 seconds. And I hope you guys enjoyed the ride. If you have any more questions, there's going to be modules inside with each specialist that could explain more about the products. I'm sure they'll be able to answer any of your questions.
Awesome.
And thank you very much again.
That's fantastic.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Have a
much.
great evening. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Oh, door handles where?
Yeah, door handles are actually in between the door
Oh,
and there's a latch.
I found perfect.
Yep.
Thanks again.
Yeah.
Right out there.
So this was fun, and for myself being 6'3", over 300 pounds, I was very comfortable on the back seat. So we are in the second hangar where actually Ford has displayed with a whole bunch of information about the Mach-E, the entire development cycle, different options that will be available on the vehicle, as well as charging option, etc. So let me show you guys what's here. So you can see here are different trims that will be available with the Mach-E, First Edition, Select, Premium and GT, as well as body colors. Mach-E will be available in all those colors. Some of the concept work. Actually, I love this type of drawings. I don't know, there's something in the design work that I like. So you can see here are some different concepts, how the design of Mach-E has started before it became what it is today. The entire application experience powered by Ford Pass. You will be able to charge your Mach-E and control charging through different applications.
That's nice.
This is a really cool
That's sharp.
concept that's come together in the past
Sorry.
month or so, the charge session card. So while you're charging, this will show up on your home screen, and you can see some information right here that you got your charge target, estimated completion time. You open that up, you can see if you schedule charging to start at a certain time, that's shown here. You can see when it's going to finish, how much time is remaining, how much range you've added to your vehicle.
Nice.
So we put all the key information, really accessible for the customer.
That looks really good.
And then from the home screen as well, you can see the nearby public chargers. And so if you're searching for chargers on the map, we make it really easy as well to see if it's available. You've got the green check mark here, the red. If it's not available, you can see that 3 of the 4 are available at this station right now.